Greeting to everyone. Today we will be presenting a business proposal on Singapore Airlines business expansion to more Asian countries. The order of speaking is Tian, zeqi, Chen Kunjing, Lianglan, Lin Yiming. This is the content we are going to talk about. First of all, Singapore Airlines, also known as SIA, is headquartered at Singapore Changi Airport. Singapore Airlines cargo handle the cargo space in SIA's planes and the aircraft. SIA has been named by Skytrax and the Travel Leisure as the greatest airline. SIA manufacturing companies is specialized in aircraft servicing, repairing, and maintenance activities. SIA has 5 passenger classes, which are the cabins: the first category, premium economy, and the budget category. Next, Singapore Airlines gives private multimedia screens and portable control devices to every budget class traveler. SIA is known for its service as providing the business class air host and hostesses amiable services. The SIA cabin crew is educated to serve and care for passengers. The proposal is constructed for the SIA's business expansion into the Asian countries.
I will be presenting the competitive environment in recent times, where it is divided into 2 parts, which is a comparison of service provided by the rivals in the industry and the opportunities of the organizational growth. First of all, Singapore Airlines has many rivals, but the rivalry among growth carriers will heat up as their infrastructure and facility expand. SIA has acted by concentrating on local expansion. However, the growth transporter remain as strong rivals for both premium and budget customers. The overcapacity has plagued the Southeast Asia market over the past years. SIA rivals' overly expansion has caused excessive supply. As we can see, the demand in Southeast Asia is strong, backed by commercial middle-class expansion, but the capacity has been increasing at an unsustainable rate. Therefore, SIA are beginning to make changes. There are opportunities for the organization's growth, where SIA has a chance to develop stronger ties and improve partnerships. India is a crucial market for SIA, although there are significant hazards in operating an airline in India. But there is also significant perspective gain. SIA took the chance to merge with one of the Indian major enterprises, Air India. SIA has certain market groups for the premium economy and intends to provide its long-distance and certain medium-distance routes. The ensuing reduction in capacity, SIA improving yields and profitability in regions that have been to raising competitive pressure. Other than that, long-distance and low-cost activities have the potential to be vital reasons for long-term.
Okay guys, my name is Lianglan. Network effects assist to scale the organization by growing the client's base, profit margins, and overall revenue stream of the products, resulting in improved profitability. SIA must establish an effective business model and develop distinct strategies for each group of consumers. Next one. It can grow more by using more powers of network effects by using the below strategies. Okay, firstly, fulfilling the requirements of the complementary service by creating product features that provide value to all users. Secondly, having a partnership with organization will enhance the overall worth of the platform. Thirdly, SIA can customize its business model, making it attractive and also adaptable to manage future expansion. Next one. Create a marketing plan to confirm the merchandise compatibility to attract clients. Then SIA should deliver new items to customers and cutting-edge technologies to suppliers. Next, brand building will attract customers and the scale of the economies will rise. SIA should promise its profit margins to enjoy the benefits and expand in other nations. As for the competitive advantage, SEO can offer cutting-edge tools to its customers and create a distinct worth at low cost. It is difficult for its consumers to shift to any other service. Lastly, SEO should provide the finished customer experience to all its users of the platform to return consumers. Okay, my speaking is finished. Welcome to next one. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Lin Yiming. So barriers of entry describe variables that might hinder entrants from entering a market, limiting competition. When barriers are too high, the company owners are able to shut out all rivals and therefore monopoly the market. SIA can benefit from the entry of barriers to expand and sustain its business for the longest time. The following strategies allows SIA to have entry barriers in expanding its business in the Asian continent. SIA can form a lobby with the ruling administration and grow to impose barriers to entry. This can maintain its integrity and stop newcomers from producing low-quality services. Economies of scale in the airline industry will deter the new entrants in the market. If a robust network is presented by the service of SIA, new entrants gaining a number of users may be limited. SIA should spend more money on R&D, which determines how strong the company is in terms of financial assets. Other than that, controlling scarce resources can generate a strong barrier to entry. SIA can implement this to stop rivals from entering the industry. Next, SIA may purposefully cut prices in order to drive competitors out of the market. Producing output and cheaper in price, rivals are unable to make profits, creating brand image and endorsement. Lastly, SIA can make extensive use of swapping costs to dissuade potential entrants in Asian nations.
Strategic planning for future growth is imperative. Therefore, SIA should focus on planning to fulfill its target. Three categories of variables are business model, industry environment, and the general environment. To expand globally, SIA should offer additional destinations. This is because rivals of SIA provide more destinations than are based in the same region. Then SIA should be appealing to various categories of customers, marketing last-minute ticket buying process quicker and easier would be helpful. Other than catering to diverse categories will increase the airline's market share and lure consumers for other countries. Next, market presentation is identified as a viable strategy path when there is a possibility for future expansion in a certain market. There are some techniques used to grow market share. Therefore, SIA should utilize market presentation as a tactic to enhance its market proportion. Lastly, offering covering merchandise to new sectors allow SIA to reach new market reach existing offering.
As a conclusion, the cinema growth is famous for being prominent example for the airline's overall brand identity. Furthermore, SIA achievement over the years is known worldwide by statutes and travel leisure. A business plan is developed to support the SIA's international growth. This research has offered analysis of the competitive climate of recent time and a comparison of the competing organizations' offerings. Moreover, this paper has investigated how network effects operate and how the organization has exposed entry barriers as a strategy to the increase and maintain its profitability. Lastly, the findings have led to the development of the long-term strategy for the company. That's all for today's presentation. Thanks for watching.